Mushin Mind's all about connection to self, experiencing the mind of really what the warriors experience, that heightened level of awareness. It's being present. Ultimately, that's what it's about, being present about our actions, our emotional state, being able to manage that in a way so that external world isn't governing the way we think, feel or act. Most meditations out there today are nothing more than a focus or a relaxation technique. They get you to focus on the breath, they get you to focus on a mantra. At Mushin Mind, we teach Streamline meditation. Streamline meditation is meditation the ancient warriors did, simply just bringing that awareness to the still, quiet mind that already resides in us and allow the mind to transcend to it. It's going to allow the body to have deep rest. And when it has deep rest, it starts to unwind deep accumulated stresses and tensions. And when we start to tap this, we can start to tap full mental potential and create the life that we want. Learning how to set goals correctly is vitally important to giving us a clear direction as to where we want to go in life. And it also inspires us to get up and take action to create the outcomes that we desire. When it comes to cold water immersion, it's vitally important to learn how to breathe correctly so you can minimise the dangers and maximise the positive benefits that come with getting into that ice cold water. It also takes us way out of our comfort zone so we can learn how to manage that stress response in such a way that we dial down the nervous system, and it allows us then to transfer this information into our day-to-day life where we can dial down the nervous system and remain calm in stressful events. Oxygen Advantage has two main pillars, functional breathing and simulated altitude training. It's all about bringing awareness back to the breath, being able to dial our breath rate down, but we also use specific breath holds within that. Now those breath holds are very good for increasing the tolerance to CO2, but also the simulated altitude training with the mask strengthens our breathing so we can always deliver more oxygen to muscles and organs. Everybody that participates in these workshops becomes a part of the community, really support each other, share your experiences, share how you're going, ask questions. As a community, everyone supports each other and continue to grow the practices that are ice bathing, that are bringing awareness to the breath and narrowing down the oxygen advantage so you can perform at your highest level.
Open the mind up to some new, really different concepts, and just simple practices that had a big impact. Yeah. A lot of different physical benefits, but more the mental benefit behind it all as well. And that way you're able to understand what your body can achieve, what your mind can achieve, and not sell yourself quite so short.
I've learned to let my breathing relax me and enjoy it. And once you learn to relax, it's a manual you can allow your body to go through.
I could see that it's something I need to do more of. It was an awesome experience.
Obviously, Mushin Mind itself isn't just the app. It isn't just the workshops. It's all about the community, the tools that we give everybody, the community support that everyone receives, and that growth everyone gets to achieve the outcomes and the desired results they want in life. It's based all around that community aspect and supporting everyone to grow.